Welcome back, guys, to another Dividend Express video. Today we're going to be talking about the top 3 ETFs to get into right now as of, I don't know what today is. We're like June 27th or something. Something like that, okay? Maybe I overpredicted. But my point is, today, when this video goes up, stocks you need to get in it on now, so you don't have FOMO, so you don't miss out. You got to get on these ETFs now, because these ones actually they're running out of time. If you want to make money on them, they are running out of time. So for starters, the first one is going to be IVOO is the stock symbol for Vanguard S&P Mid Cap ETF. As you can see, the current stock price is $121.53. Shows great potential to hit 138, 141, right, within the next year or two. Within the next 3-4 years, upwards of 160. This is a really good looking ETF in the future, but like always, we got to look at the dividend yield. It's kind of a kick in the nuts. It'll end up being a couple dollars. I think that's quarterly as well. So it'll be like $12 a year, $16 a year per share, and if it increases, you'll get more money as well. So really not the end of the world, not the worst thing. The second stock we're going to be talking about is VTI, is the stock symbol for Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. This is another fantastic one. It is exactly what it sounds like. It is the entire stock market. You own a stock in the entire stock market pretty much. If we look at the last 5 years, we can see that it has hit a high of 171. So it definitely within the next year or two, it's going to hit that 171. It's going to hit that fairly shortly too, because things are kind of crazy. And it's going to hit that 171. And it's going to continue to just blow past that. It's going to continue to fly past that. I fully expect this one to hit 220 within the next, maybe even 250 within the next 4 years. 220 within the next 3, 2 within the next 2, 175 within the next year is very possible with this projection of 171. So yeah, this stock has quite a lot of room to grow as well, and I expect this is one that we're going to see continue to fucking soar. Look at this as is, it's already fucking soaring. So yeah, I fully expect this one to continue to soar as well, and a kick in the nuts as well for the dividend yield of 1.87%. This one will be $20 a year as well, maybe. The last one we're going to be talking about in this quick ETF video, the top 3 ETFs, is VIOO. So if I had to rank them in order, this one would be probably the worst, VTI being the second best. And the best one, just because it has the most room to grow, is going to be this one right here, VIOO. This one would be the first one I get, and then I would go to VTI, and then VIOO. But this is another fantastic one. Let's take a quick look at it. We can see highs of 151 here, easy. It'll hit that next year or two. Within the next 3-4 years, I do see this one hitting 202, at the very least 195, upwards of like 215 even. I can see this one hitting. We see this one has hit like 165 in the past. So it's another fantastic one that's going to continue to soar here. Taking a look at, all 3 of them are pretty much the same. This one's the least so, but most of them they just skyrocket up to this point. They're almost back. But like this one's taking a little more time. It's not as much so as the other 2 as a V-shaped recovery. It's kind of doing something. This is a kangaroo hop up, I guess. A little. It's trying to form a W, I guess. So maybe we'll see this drop back down by a fuck ton and jump back up, right? I don't know. But I do fully expect this stock to continue to soar and fucking get worth a lot of money. So if you guys want to make some quick cash, some safe money, because they are ETFs, keep in mind they are really safe. Another kick in the nuts for a dividend yield, another $16, whatever. on the dividend yield. I'm not too worried about it because at the end of the day, this is such a safe gamble on this one because it's 600 small businesses on this one. So, yeah, a huge ETF, and your money's diversified quite well. So, in my opinion, this stock's a buy. As you can see, I am buying one. And that's about it for this video. If you guys are interested in 3 free stocks averaging about $30, upwards of $1,400 if you're super lucky, all you have to do is download the 2 apps. The links are in the description of this video. And yeah, it's literally free cash that you can withdraw it, put it in your bank account, and that's that. That's all you got to do. And you just got to sign up for the apps and download them. Robinhood is super easy to do both of those, and it's fucking fantastic for new investors, whereas Webull's a little more time consuming, so it's slightly more difficult to sign up for, but it has unlimited information on that app. It is such a good app. So that's my 2 cents on all of this. I think that's a great. You should download the apps. These are great apps to start investing on. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Au revoir.